Hi, Janice Winward here with Midnight Arts. Tonight I'm going to do another waterfall ring pour. I have an 18 by 24 canvas here, and I am going to do several of these ring pours in the black and white and silver, and this is the smallest canvas I'm going to do them on. I'm going to work up to, I can't remember if I've got 5 or maybe 4 more canvases out there that are prepped. I have another one this size, and then the rest of them are bigger sizes. So I will be using tonight titanium white, Liquitex titanium white, Liquitex silver, Artist Loft Mars black, and Deco Art dazzling metallic shimmering silver. And I used the calculator on Smart Art Materials to see how much I needed to cover this canvas. It says I need 17.5 ounces, but since I've already got a black base coat on it, I'm not going to put quite that much on there. And so this cup, if I fill it up to here, this is 16 ounces, so that's where I need to put that much paint on there to do this. I don't know why my table has suddenly started slanting that way. This is heavy. Just a little bit more over to this side. Oh, I can't get that corner up. It's not moving the part I want it to move. Okay. I think that's, well, torch it here. Okay. I don't know if I can lift this up to the camera or not. Hard to get that. I don't know how to get it without, so you can see it without a glare there. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please come join me again soon. Please subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to check out video number 200 and leave a comment so you can win that painting. And most importantly, have a great night. Okay, here's this one dry. I don't know if you can see it or not. That glare on there. those lines up there are actually really pretty. Okay. And then here's a canvas that I dipped. I had a lot of runoff paint on this one. I dipped the canvas and I scooped up a whole bunch and put it in a container. And this is a 6x6 tile and some cabochons. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go to video number 200 and make a comment so you can win that, have a chance to win that painting. And please have a great night.